That second chapter of 2 Thessalonians is 12 verses on the Antichrist. That's to say the future evil ruler who will precede the coming of Jesus. And Jesus' job description is to do away with that future Antichrist and then to establish the kingdom of God on the earth, the rebirth of the world. I'm just going to read from 2 Thessalonians 2, 8, 9, and 10. That lawless one, this is an individual, will be revealed, whom the Lord will slay with the breath of his mouth and bring to an end by the appearance of his parousia. And when I say parousia, I'm referring, the Greek word there, to the second coming, the one future second coming of Jesus, visible. Then Paul explains what he means by this lawless one, verse 9 of 2 Thessalonians 2. That's to say, the one who's coming. The Antichrist has a parousia. Do you see that? The devil is a marvelous mimic. Clever way to deceive people is to copy them with a twist. And so this anti-Christian figure, the man of lawlessness, is going to have a parousia. He's going to have a second coming, a spectacular arrival of some sort. And it's in accordance, Paul says, with the activity, the energia, the energy of Satan. Then in verse 10, he just piles up the language here, Paul does. And with all the deception of wickedness for those who are perishing. Here's how you can perish if you want to. If you choose to want to perish, here's how you do it. They're perishing because they did not receive a passion for the truth in order to be saved. You mustn't have just an ambivalent, careless view of the truth to be saved. You've got to have a passion for the truth in order to be saved. That's exactly, in another sermon we can show you how Jesus said exactly the same thing in the parable of the sower. So that is then a very salutary warning for all of us, not to be divisive deliberately to create trouble, but to stick with the truth on these major issues.